Communication is the exchange of information or ideas between people. We communicate when we talk to our friends, either face to face or over the telephone. We communicate when we write a letter or send an email. News, advertisements, and other programs on the radio or television are also forms of communication. All living things communicate with each other. Early humans used to communicate using signs, just like other animals. But because of their superior intelligence, they were able to develop language and writing to communicate. This has enabled us to communicate better with each other. Earlier messages were sent over long distances through pigeons or horses. Later, the postal service made the task of sending messages much easier. Long distance communication was revolutionized by the invention of the telephone in 1876. Communicating with individuals. We often want to communicate with our friends and relatives. Let us see how many different methods of communication we can use. Letters. We can send a letter through the post office or courier service. Telegrams. Urgent messages can be sent through a telegram. This system of sending messages through telegram wires were invented by Samuel Morse. Telephones. We can talk to any person over a telephone. The telephone is the fastest and most convenient means of sending spoken messages. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. We can talk to anyone in any other city in India using STD facility and to anyone in another country using the IST facility. Mobile telephones or cell phones can be carried along wherever we go. Fax. We can send a copy of document containing written matter, printed matter, or pictures through a fax machine connected to a telephone line. Email. We can send a message through electronic mail or email using a computer with an internet connection. The message reaches the receiver anywhere in the world in a short time. Smartphones. Smartphone can be used to make phone calls, share music files and photographs, and to receive and send emails. Mass communication. When an idea is communicated to many people at the same time, it is known as mass communication. For example, books, Magazines and newspapers communicate an idea to several people at same time. They are means of mass communication. The invention of radio, cinema, and television has revolutionized mass communication.